Hey guys, in today's video we're talking about Olight Osight line of red dot sights. We'll be looking at the original Osight, the Osight X and the Osight S. We'll go over their differences, similarities, footprint standards, features and basic controls. But first, let me show you what you get in the box. I'll start with the Osight X, but the packaging is pretty much the same for all three. In the first box you'll find a USB-C cable, a wrist strap lanyard and a mounting tool. In the second box you'll get a nice selection of screws, neatly stored in the small plastic container. In the third box there is a cleaning cloth and a carrying bag for the accessories. The package also includes a user manual and of course the red dot itself, along with its magnetic charging cover. The only real difference between the packages is the screws. Everything else is basically identical. Let's start with the footprint. Both the original Osight and the Osight X use the Trigicon RMR footprint standard. The Osight S, on the other hand, uses the more compact Shield RMS-C footprint, which is better suited for concealed carry. The Osight X comes only in black and only with a red reticle. The Osight S is available in both black and olive green, also only with a red reticle. The original Osight is available in black and FDE, and both versions are offered with either a red or a green reticle. However, the original Osight only has a 3 MOA dot, while the Osight X and Osight S both feature a multi-reticle system. The Osight X offers a 3 MOA dot, a 32 MOA circle and a combination of both. The Osight S has the same options but with a 2 MOA dot instead of 3. All three red dots have an integrated battery and use their own magnetic charging cover. The original Osight and Osight X both have a 170 mAh battery, while the Osight S has only 46 mAh, which makes sense given its compact size. Each magnetic cover can fully recharge its red dot 3 times. The cover itself is rechargeable via USB-C. Battery life can vary significantly depending on the model and brightness setting, so I recommend checking the manufacturer's website for full specs. But as a rough guide, the original Osight and Osight X will last up to 50,000 hours on brightness level 3, while the Osight S will last up to 22,000 hours on brightness level 3. There are 12 brightness levels in total. All three models can be used in manual or auto mode. Manual mode lets you control the brightness yourself, while auto mode adjusts it based on the environment. There is also a lockout mode that prevents accidental changes, but strangely enough it's only available on the original Osight. All three models have a motion sensor that powers the sight off when idle and turns it back on when motion is detected. The reticle also shuts off automatically when you place the magnetic cover on the red dot. The original Osight and Osight X are both IPX6 rated for water resistance. The Osight S has an IPX7 rating and is the only one designed for co-witnessing with most factory iron sights. The original Osight and Osight X are nearly identical in size, but the X is a bit lighter thanks to Olight's proprietary aluminum alloy housing. The Osight S uses the same material. First of all, make sure to fully charge the battery before first use as recommended in the manual, which I'm sure you will all do. All three red dot sights have nearly identical controls. To turn on the sight, press either plus or minus button. To turn it off, hold both buttons for about half a second. In manual mode, use the same buttons to adjust the brightness. To switch modes, hold the plus button for more than 3 seconds. To change the reticle, hold the minus button for more than 3 seconds. To check the sight's battery level, press any button and look at the indicator between the buttons. To check the cover's battery level, just press the single button on the cover. Apply a bit of medium thread locker on the screws and torque them to spec. To adjust windage and elevation, use these two turrets. And that's everything for today's video. Subscribe for more and I'll see you next time.